He loves me just the way I am. God made me who I'm meant to be. His dream for me is so amazing. For this simple reason, I am happy to be me. Whoa, whoa, my God watches over me. Whoa, whoa, I feel like royalty. Whoa, whoa, my God watches over me. Whoa, whoa, I feel like royalty. For this simple reason, I am happy to be me. God made me who I'm meant to be.
For this episode, I decided to do something a little more different. Nah, I won't go too far, and next time it's going to be a DVD or VHS review. But for now, I just want to take the moment and do something that I know a lot of people have been requesting. Review some food. So, I made this pack of toasted sandwiches for myself, and I'm going to put them to the ultimate test and see how they taste. And to top off this meal, I also have here a Pepsi Max, even though I do remember Brooklyn guys saying that nobody likes Pepsi anymore. I don't know if that's the case, but I don't want to offend Brooklyn guy too much. Okay, time to move on with what you were waiting for. How do these toasted sandwiches taste? Let's find out. Hmm. Oh. Well? Well, it is hot, which is typical for a toasted sandwich. But it also has a really good cheese flavor in it, with a side of ham as well. Okay, now for a drink. No offense to the regards of Brooklyn guy, but I like both Coke and both Pepsi. I can't really decide on which side I am. Now for the next bite. I taste ketchup. Ketchup all around the cheese and ham. So that would make this a very good ham and cheese toasty with tomato sauce. Well, guys, it looks like I managed to get through my first food review, and very sorry about that. That was just an after call from the food, but I think that these toasted sandwiches were very good. I personally give them a 8 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed my very first food review, and I'll see you guys next time. Does this mean we get to go back to watching movies and DVDs and VHSs now?